In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust bids for devices such as mobile, desktop and tablet in Google Ads in 2025. Whether you're new to Google Ads or just looking to refine your strategy, adjusting device bidding can be a game changer for your campaigns. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step, ensuring you can effectively target your desired audience. First, we begin by accessing Google Ads. Head over to your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Ads homepage. If you haven't already bookmarked it, you can just type Google Ads into your search engine and it should be right at the top of your results. Once you land on the homepage, find and click on the Sign In button. This will take you to the login page where you'll enter your credentials. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Google Ads dashboard. Once you're on the Google Ads home screen, your next step is to find your campaigns. From the main dashboard, locate and click on the Campaign tab. This section is where all your ongoing and past campaigns are housed, giving you a comprehensive view of what you've been working on or what needs adjusting. After clicking on Campaign, you'll want to navigate to Settings. This option is critical because it's where you can make all sorts of adjustments to optimize your campaign's performance. Now that you're in the settings of your campaign, the next move is to look for the bidding option. In this section, you're going to see various bidding strategies along with device specific options. Each device like mobile, desktop and tablet can have its own bid modifier, allowing you to prioritize or deprioritize how much you're willing to pay depending on where your potential customers are viewing your ads. Adjusting your bids based on devices is crucial for a well-targeted campaign. For instance, if you notice that your ads perform much better on desktops compared to mobile devices, you can set a higher bid for desktops to capture more of that traffic. Conversely, if performance on mobile shows more promise, you can raise your bid specifically for mobile to capture potential high-value clicks. Once you've decided on how you want to allocate your budget across different devices, go ahead and input your bid adjustments. Be sure to review your changes before saving anything. It's a good practice to continuously monitor these adjustments as campaign dynamics and device performance can vary over time. In summary, navigating through Google Ads to adjust bids for specific devices is an efficient way to ensure you're getting the most out of your advertising spend. By strategically assigning your bids, you can better target your audience where they're most active, leading to potentially higher conversions and more successful campaigns. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you optimize your Google Ads strategy in 2025.